Hi, this is Marco, our washers at washmart.com, your Texas power washer store. We are going to show a little bit more onto the nozzle chart and what we were talking about. And what we're going to go over is I'm going to do a spray demo with a machine. I'm not going to tell you what the specs are. You're going to figure out what it is from what we put up there. We're going to use a 4, a 5, a 6, an 8, a 20, and a 50 orifice nozzle. And you're going to see what it does to the pressure. And we're going to put on some information on here for you to see some of the mathematics for you number guys that want to actually see what the machine is actually performing.